How to resize a video in CapCut PC. Hi guys, in this video I will show you a step-by-step guide how you can easily resize a video in your CapCut PC. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to resize a video in CapCut PC, first of all you have to add the video into your project file. I have already added my project file. So in the first step you have to click on the clip that you want to resize, and after that you have to click on video tab from here and click on basic, and from here scale option you can change the scale of the video. But if I want to change the size of the video, or I want to resize the video, I will just have to click on this option ratio, and from here you will see all the sizes that you want to change. From here you can make the YouTube size video, YouTube Instagram size video, or you can make a TV size video, or from here you can make a TikTok size video, Facebook size video, etc. So if I want to make this an Instagram 4:3 ratio, I will just click on second option, and you can see we have successfully changed our video into a Instagram video. But if I want to make this TikTok ratio video, I will just select 9:16, and you can see we have successfully changed our horizontal video into a TikTok video, and we can easily resize the video. But if I want to make this in another format like one by one, I will just click on it one by one, and from here you will see we have successfully changed our horizontal video into 1:1 ratio. So guys, in this way you can easily resize your video in CapCut PC. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.